Hey everyone, I want to talk to you today about the two different types of weed control that are out there, that exist. There's two different types. There's product control and there is culture control. Product control is very simple. That's the one that I talk about a lot. That's using pre-emergence and post-emergent applications of products, applying them to your lawn and controlling weeds in that way. The other one is called culture control. That's basically the practice of good lawn maintenance practices is what it is. It's making sure that your turf is as healthy as it can be. Mowing often enough and at the right height, making sure you're getting enough water on your lawn, making sure you're not watering too much. Aerating, keeping the soil loose and feeding your lawn as well, making sure the root systems are very strong across your lawn. Those are culture control practices, and the reality is you need a combination of the two to get the best results. The best looking lawns, the ones that are completely weed free, like this one here, it's hard to see because this is St. Augustine and it's already greening up because the weather's been so warm, but it's completely weed free. It's just a nice lush St. Augustine lawn. This is a combination of the two things, of good culture control practices and the use of products as well. Actually 60 to 70, sometimes even up to 80% of your weeds can be controlled by proper mowing, proper watering, aerating, those types of things. The products come into play as just the final touch, the icing on the cake, just to finish things off and make sure you don't have any breakthrough in weeds. So all the talk about pre-emergence, just want to remind you that you also need to focus on those other things as well. Don't just focus on your pre-emergent applications. Don't just focus on all the different turf applications you can do, the different products that are available. You also got to make sure you get everything else right. Get your watering right, get your mowing right, aerate, make sure you have good drainage, feed your lawn when it needs to be fed. It's a combination of all those things that make yards look great. Those are the things that separate the immaculate, weed-free, amazing-looking lawns from all the others. So I hope that helps. Have any questions about that? Feel free to let us know. Thanks.